Welcome back. In this part, we are gonna basically create a component for this about section here. Okay, so this small piece here. And in the next ones, we're gonna create another one for this one and another one for this one. So it's gonna be 3 videos, each for one component. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna focus on this part right here. Okay, let's head into our app.js. So what we're going to do is we're basically going to create a component folder for that specific thing. So components like that. And in here, we're going to hit new file. I'm going to call this about section.js. Okay, we're going to import React like in every project in the history of the worlds. There we go. We're going to say const about section like that. Set it equal to an arrow function, just like that. And here we are going to return some JSEX. And at the end, we're going to export it. Export default about section. Fantastic. So let's add the necessary HTML to set this up. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go here. I'm going to create a simple div like that. And in here, I'm going to have a description div. So this description div basically is this part right here. So what we're going to do is add a title like that. Now, the reason why I'm adding a title here, and I'm going to say another div called hide like that. And in here, I have a h2 that says we work to make like that. And I'm going to copy this whole hide again and paste it down here. So I'm basically separating this title into multiple chunks. And the reason why we're doing this, so we work to make is separated, this is separated, is because I individually want to animate these small portions. So this is gonna animate, this is gonna animate, this is gonna animate in a separate way. So boom, 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 one after the other. And that's why I'm basically doing that. Okay, so just copy paste this multiple times. And here we're gonna say I'm going to add a span in here that says dreams come like that. I'm actually going to add a space here like that. Your dreams come. And then we're going to copy this again, this hide container. So right after this one, paste. Go here, paste. I'm just going to say true. The reason why I added a span here is because I want to make it green and bold. That's the only thing. Okay, very nice. Okay, so after this whole div section, let me make sure we are good here. After this whole title, I want to add a paragraph. So I'm going to say P, let's say contact us for any photography or videography. Let me see what I wrote here. What am I lying about? Ideas that you have. We have professionals with amazing skills. Whatever, just write whatever you want. I don't know. Okay. After the paragraph, just make a button. We're going to say contact us like that. That's good. So we finished this whole part here. Now we have to add the image. So let's see, after the description down here, I'm going to create an image div. And down here, I'm going to add an image with the source of, well, this image is called home image 1. So in the image folder, it should be this one, home 1. Okay, home 1. So to import it, we can go up here to the top and say import home 1 from /image/home1.png. Okay, so now we can copy the home 1 and here just add curly brackets and just paste it right there. I'm going to say guy with a camera here as an alt tag. And I think that should be it. So let's open this up and say npm start Okay, and as you can see, we have nothing because we have done nothing with this component so far. So what we can do here is either import it in the app, but what I'm actually gonna do, since this is only a small part of the page, I'm actually gonna create a pages folder in our source. So go here to the source and create pages. And in here, I'm actually gonna create an About Us page. About us.js. Okay, so we're basically gonna have a page for each of these sections. So this is the whole page, right? The About Us. But in this About Us, I'm just gonna stack these small different components. So the About section, the Services section here, and the FAQ section. Okay, so basically we're gonna separate them into small chunks. So here in the About Us, I'm gonna import the component here. So let's do const, okay, we imported React, const about us is equal to an arrow function. So this is just kind of gonna be like a container. Return, and let's export default about us. So in here, I just basically want to import the page components. Let's do import about section from, and let's navigate to components about section. So here we can just render it out, about section. Okay, just like that. So again, eventually we're gonna have our FAQ section here, FAQ section, and the services section, and all the rest. Okay, so now we just import the About Us in the app. So let's go here to the app and just say import pages. Import About Us from /pages/About Us. And we can remove this film here and just add About Us. Fantastic. Hit save, everything should work. Let's take a look, and there we go. We have everything up and running. Before I go, let me quickly save this. So let's close this up and just say go here and save this to GitHub. So let's see what we're gonna call this. About Us. Let's do to About Section. Okay, that's what we made. So we're gonna save this, save, push it up, and I will see you in the next one.